We all love a good snack, but let's be honest, most of them are not doing our bodies any favors. Today, we're going to show you how to transform your favorite snacks into healthier alternatives that won't make you feel guilty. Section 1. Sweet Cravings. Let's start with the sweet tooth. When that craving hits, it can be hard to resist, but there are healthier options that satisfy that sweet craving without the added sugar. Hack 1. Greek yogurt with banana or grape. Instead of reaching for a candy bar, try Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits and a drizzle of honey if you like. The protein in the yogurt will keep you full, and the fruit adds natural sweetness. Hack 2. Dark chocolate covered almonds. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, and almonds are a good source of healthy fats and protein. This combination is a satisfying and indulgent treat. Hack 3. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are high in protein and essential nutrients. They make a thick, pudding-like texture when combined with liquid. Add your favorite fruits and a touch of sweetener for a delicious and healthy treat. Section 2. Salty Cravings. Salty cravings can be just as intense as sweet ones. Here are some healthier alternatives to satisfy that salty tooth. Hack 4. Homemade popcorn. Homemade popcorn is a low-calorie snack that can be customized with different seasonings like cinnamon, ginger powder, or nutritional yeast. Hack 5. Apple with peanut butter. This classic combination is a satisfying and crunchy snack that is rich in nutrients. Hack 6. Veggie sticks with hummus. Hummus is a healthy dip. Pair it with your favorite veggies for a satisfying and high-protein snack. Section 3. Crunchy Cravings. Sometimes we crave something crunchy. Here are some healthier options to satisfy that craving. Hack 7. Homemade granola bar. Homemade granola is a good source of fiber. Pair it with Greek yogurt or eat alone for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Hack 8. Roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas are a crunchy and satisfying snack that is high in protein and fiber. Section 4. On-the-go snacks. Sometimes you need a snack that you can grab and go. Here are a few healthy options that are perfect for busy lifestyles. Hack 9. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a great source of protein and can be prepared in advance. Hack 10. Trail mix. Create your own trail mix with a variety of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Hack 11. Apple slices, wedges with nut butter. This classic combination is a sweet and nutritious snack that is perfect for on the go. Remember, it's all about moderation. You can still enjoy your favorite snacks occasionally, but by making healthier choices, you can hit your health goals and improve general well-being. So, the next time you're craving a snack, try one of these healthy hacks. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and hacks.